riding in silence to honor those who no longer can. That's the message dozens of bicyclists shared tonight in Des Moines during the annual Ride of Silence.
KCCI's Kayla James shows us how cyclists are honoring those injured and spreading awareness to promote safety.
Injured, June 9th, unknown female child.
For every situation read, someone either sits or lays on the ground.
Injured, unknown minor male out of Atlantic.
Sits if the person was injured while riding a bike by someone driving, or
she was struck by a distracted 17-year-old driver who swerved off the road. Jenny was taken to the hospital where she later died.
Lays down for someone who was killed. The names and stories shared come from Iowa.
We do this once a year in May during Bike Month.
Scott Sumter leading the annual Ride of Silence in Des Moines, an international event set as a show of remembrance and a call to action for safer streets.
We're one of 6 states that does not have a safe passing law. We're going to put forth, with the Bike Coalition, going to put forth some hard effort to try to get that passed.
Wednesday's Ride of Silence in Des Moines began outside the State Historical Museum, with dozens showing up and listening before getting on their bicycles for a 7 to 8 mile ride.
We all need to look out for each other, whether we're in a motor vehicle, on a bicycle, or a pedestrian just crossing the street.
And take care of each other, which is something some bicyclists credit legislators for doing due to the hands-free law.
That's going to be a significant step forward. So the most important thing there is to put your phones down and put your head up and be very aware while on the roadways of other folks.
Larry Loss and Luke Hoffman are with the Iowa Bicycle Coalition and joined the ride for others and themselves.
In the last couple of years, both Luke and I have been involved in accidents with motor vehicles and injured.
Which is why they and others at the ride are raising awareness while highlighting safety achievements made by cities and the state.
Community has been supportive in building out bike lanes, bike trails. We have a fantastic network of avenues where we can cycle in the city.
In Des Moines, Kayla James, KCCI 8 News, Iowa's news leader.
A lot of avid cyclists in central Iowa. If you plan on biking this summer, there are a few safety tips from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. They say to ride a bike that fits you, number one, always wear protective equipment and plan your route ahead of time. They also say you need to bike defensively while you are out on the roads.